Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. Today I am out at the Rabbitry. It is a beautiful spring day today. It's probably close to 80 degrees today, which is kind of weird for April in Pennsylvania, but here we are. So I started cleaning out the Rabbitry, and because it is so warm and the forecast for the rest of the month is pretty decent, I'm going to start taking the foam insulation panels off and allow some fresh air to get into these bunnies and allow them to cool down a little bit. They are hot today, so let's go head back to the Rabbitry and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So these are the foam panels that we used to insulate the Rabbitry with, and they're trapping a lot of warmth inside the Rabbitry. So as you can see, everybody's kind of hot and sprawled out in here. Hi guys. So we're gonna go ahead and mark all of these panels so I know which panels go where for next year, and we're just gonna go ahead and take them all down. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so we got the Rabbitry all opened up. I still have the backside up against the garage to open up, but I figure for right now it can just stay that way. But both sides and the door side here are open and are allowing for some airflow, and all of the bunnies seem to be really happy about that. So one thing off of the spring cleaning to-do list is done. So here's everybody all opened up. Like I said, we're gonna leave the door and the back part closed in for now. And everybody's opened up on this side. All the babies are getting big. Hi, Eden. Hi, Mama. Hi. Hi, Ravina. Hi, Alrighty, so now that I got everything opened up, it'll be a little bit easier for me to get everything nice and clean for the spring here. And yeah, just give everybody some nice fresh air now that things are warming up a little bit. Later in the season, we do get a lot of sun on either side of the Rabbitry. So the sun rises on this side and then it sets on this side, and we don't want a lot of sun on the bunnies because they are show bunnies and sun can bleach or stain their hair or fur, and so we don't want that. So later this season I am going to figure out how to do like a shade screen of some sort, and put it where we had the foam boards. So during the summer they'll have some shade instead of direct sunlight, which will be really good for them because with these bigger bunnies, they get really hot in the summertime and we want to keep them as cool and comfortable as possible. So that is the plan for later this year. And that's about it for today, guys. Just a quick little spring project to get the season underway. Okay, if you guys like my content, go ahead and hit the like button on the way out and make sure you hit the subscribe button so you know when new videos are up. Thank you guys, as always, for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.